Well. SVR just got issued. Def Smith and Oldham. Oh, it's just quiet. Alright. That's an odd name. Alright. That's a slow moving storm. Holy. Nearly stationary. What? People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Hail may accumulate on roadways, causing hazardous travel. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Oldham and northeastern Def Smith counties. Wichita Falls is right there. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Nope. A severe thunderstorm will be broadcasted by something until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Def Smith, and Oldham. Well. From Tuesday morning to late Thursday night. Wait, here it is right here. Oh, very well then. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rush County, southeastern Ellis County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pfeiffer, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. You can expect ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Laredo around 6:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Otis and Bison. Huh? The flood warning is now in effect until early Friday morning. The flood warning continues for the Cow Creek near Hutchinson from Tuesday morning to late Thursday night. At 1:15 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 5.6 feet and rising. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Minor flooding. This is gonna be a nice ride. Texas and western Texas. Here we go. Oh, seriously. Saturday, elevated fire weather conditions may exist across southeast New Mexico and the Guadalupe. 5 miles per hour. Hazard, hail, all sides, hail, and... Never mind right there. Move. Thank you. Please relay any information about observed severe weather to the National Weather Service while following all local, state, and CDC guidelines on 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Weather advisory for Southern 33 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Northern near thunderstorm was located in County and northwest of 4 p.m. Central, 9 miles east of Amarillo, 20 north and Central 10 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with quarter-size hail. Source weather spotters. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees if possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Hail may accumulate on roadways, causing hazardous travel. Locations impacted include Amarillo and Canyon.
No. What even is this anymore?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 178, effective until 11 p.m. Central Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Gordon, Dawson, Glasscock, Howard, Martin, Midland, Mitchell, and Scurry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that
Another severe thunderstorm watch.
severe weather,
And, oh my,
close to the watch area. While the National Weather Service has remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio,
this is
commercial
deadly.
radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Significant weather advisory for southern Glasscock, southeastern Midland, northern Reagan, and northeastern parts. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flood warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. Monday for northern Russell County. At 5:27 p.m., local law enforcement reported ongoing flooding across the Warren area. Flooding and voluntary evacuations are possible.
Oh, here it is right here. Oh, wow. 3 alerts in 2 minutes. That's nice. Oh. Gosh.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rush County, southwestern Ellis County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34
Same
p.m.,
counties,
a
really.
severe thunderstorm was located near Levenville and is nearly stationary. Another severe thunderstorm was
that's it right there.
located 5 miles north of McCracken and was also nearly stationary.
Cracking.
You can expect 60
that's
mile
not
per
good.
hour wind
Oh,
gusts
yeah,
and
right there.
half-dollar size hail.
It's a, whoa.
The
Where
warning
is
was
it
based
moving?
on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and
Gosh, how is
trees.
this slow-moving storm?
Locations impacted include Junction and Levenville.
27 alerts active right now.
Flood warning
Heavy-duty
remains in
editing.
effect until 2 p.m. Monday for northern Russell County. Hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind
What am I
damage
hearing
to
right now?
roofs, siding, and trees.
Where'd it go?
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
I'm getting way too much right
northwestern Armstrong County, Randall County, until 7:45 p.m.
You know, it's
Central
one of them.
Daylight Time.
Oh, wow, for Kiowa.
6:41 p.m. Central
Interesting.
Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Canyon and is nearly stationary.
Everything is nearly stationary.
Golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar
5
indicated
miles per hour.
impact. Expect some tree
What's
damage.
this one? Nearly stationary.
Likely to
Holy.
mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Ah.
People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Hail may accumulate on roadways, causing hazardous travel. Locations impacted include Amarillo, Canyon, Lake Englewood,
Will it happen
Solero
today?
Park,
Will I get my 100th alert?
Canyon, and Timber Creek Canyon.
Okay,
For your protection,
that was a
your room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong and Randall.
fun.
A severe thunderstorm moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
potential flash flood warning. Please support Rush. Please. Please. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my, am I gonna get, oh, do I get Denver? Flash flood warning. Shoot. I guess it doesn't.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Rush County until 10 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly due to saturated ground from previous heavy rains as well as the current rain falling. You can expect flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include La Crosse, Otis, Bison, Rush Center, Liebenthal, Timken, Loretta, Hargrave, Pfeiffer, and Schaefer.
These are my 5 taps I need.
The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Ellsworth.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for northwestern Rush County.
Oh, that was cool timing.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Liebenthal and is nearly stationary. The following are the you can expect
Ooh, I don't know about that one.
gusts and quarter-size hail.
Big spring, big spring. Oh, it's not there. Alright, we have a good shot at that one.
Expect wind damage to roofs with siding and trees. Locations impacted include Liebenthal.
Now what?
Flood warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. Monday.
Got you.
The temperature was at 5:27 p.m. Local law enforcement reported ongoing flooding across the warned area. Flooding and voluntary evacuations
Wait, what?
are possible along the Paradise Street near the town with Paradise. Between 1
Wait,
and
who?
5 inches of rain has fallen. The sky was low. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lucas, Lurie, Paradise, Waldo, and Wilson Lake. The flood warning is now in effect until early Friday morning. The flood warning continues for the Cal until 8 p.m. Central
Okay,
Daylight
I had no idea who that was for a second.
1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Vega, moving east at 15 miles per hour. 7% hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated.
This is an insane night.
Minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Oldham and northeastern Smith County.
Here, 10.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor
Why am
of
I
the
just
building.
staring at the screen?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning
There's
has
so
been
many
issued until 8
there's
p.m.
so many.
Central Daylight Time for the following counties
Well,
in Texas: Smith, and Oldham.
yeah, whatever. I don't even know what that is anymore.
Severe thunderstorm warning to 22 until 7:45 p.m. Sunny Daylight Time for northwestern miles an hour. Tarpon 89, wind
Another.
southwest at 4. Snyder 86, wind southeast at 13. Precipitation today 0.07 inches. Sweet. Bonnet 84, wind southeast at 12. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh no, I think that's 99.
Northeastern Potter County until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Masperson, or 20 miles north of Amarillo, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs. Signs and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Hail may accumulate on roadways, causing hazardous travel. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Carson and northeastern Potter counties.
Gotcha, bro.
Move to an interior room on the lowest
St. Louis?
floor of a building.
Mothball.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been
Interesting.
issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Carson, and Potter.
I'm sweating.
The current time
There it is. Yes, 100. This is gonna. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it.
5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Armstrong and central Randall counties. At 7:10.
Come on. Yes. 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 Oh, that's number 100. Let's go.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a flash flood
Huge milestone.
Randall County.
That's an FFW.
Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen.
2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing with water rescues reported along Interstate 27.
Uh-oh.
Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Canyon, Lake Tanglewood, Mescalero Park, Palo Duro Canyon, and Timber Creek Canyon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most
Vegas.
flood deaths
Right.
occur in vehicles.
Oh.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating,
That's-
a flash
no,
flood
no, no,
warning
no.
has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county, Randall, Texas.
There it is. ES 100. Screw you.
10 miles an hour. At Dallas, Fort Worth, cloudy. 73 degrees. The wind was
See if I got someone in this issue. Let's see if I get it here.
gusting to 23.
Hang on.
Austin, mostly
Lubbock.
76.
Amarillo again. Cancels. I don't care. I just got 100.
Houston, cloudy.
Big
75.
milestone right there. Oh no, I'm not even close.
p.m. Central Daylight
Where am
Time.
I?
Texas Mesonet observations brought to you as a collaborative effort between the National Weather Service and the Texas Tech National Institute.
Hold on, it's right there.
89 degrees. Wind southeast.
Yeah, no chance. No chance. Whew. And I'm back at it again.
The record low is 42 degrees.
This is it.
In 1945,
101.
National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Donley County until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Clarendon, and it is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Hail may accumulate on roadways, causing hazardous travel. Locations impacted include Clarendon, Greenbelt Lake, and Lely Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating,
Okay.
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county, Donley, Texas.
Yes, yes, yes.